What's up, BBs? Today we're going to try this chocolate frosted donut KitKat. Let's get into it. All right, so it definitely has the look of a chocolate frosted donut. It's got the regular milk chocolate on top. It's a little lighter at the bottom. So let's break it off. Give it a taste. Okay, that's pretty good. They went for a very chocolate vanilla kind of balance with that. It's not as strong as normal chocolate flavor of a regular Kit Kat. But that's pretty good. I like that. Would I choose it on the regular of a regular Kit Kat? Probably not. So I would have to give that about a 7 out of 10. Bye, babies.